Welcome to Uconnect Services, a new range of services created to support you in the daily management of your vehicle wherever you are. Do you know that with Uconnect Services and TomTom, you can take advantage of the latest technology in connected navigation right at your fingertips? The Uconnect Services My Navigation package is included after activation and offers you a complete and seamless experience on the vehicle's infotainment system and on the My Jeep Connect app. One of the best examples of this experience is the Send and Go feature that allows you to search for an address or a point of interest on your smartphone and send it to your vehicle's navigation system. Behind the wheel of your Jeep, you can count on the fully integrated Connected Navigation by TomTom to be your trusted partner, providing the best routing and guidance with accurate real-time traffic, speed camera alerts and weather delivered directly into your system. It is easy to find your way with your navigation. The advanced search capability helps you customize your search for a point of interest by selecting a specific location for the search, such as the whole map, in town or city, along your route, near the destination, or using latitude and longitude coordinates. When you reach your destination, Parking Finder will help you easily find parking options, showing the nearest off-street parking and availability. If your final destination is located on a pedestrian area after parking your vehicle, the Last Mile Navigation feature will send walking directions to the exact address to the My Jeep Connect app. The Dynamic Range Mapping feature allows you to visualize on the navigation screen and in your My Jeep Connect app how far you can drive before choosing the destination and alert you if your battery charge is not enough. Is the battery charge not enough to reach the destination? Don't worry, you can easily search and find the closest charging stations on your navigation system with detailed information on the connector type and availability. Update your maps without worries. With Jeep, you will never lose your way